Miguel Tan, and we are here today at Ayala Century Event Hall, and we are under the company of Pogi Hands Arts and Crafts. So our booth showcases various crocheted products such as flowers, keychains, and so much more. Moreover, we also have personalized items such as personalized stickers, mugs, wallets, ref magnets, and notepads.
Ini, saan siya?
Sa lain booth po yan.
Lain din.
Sa katungan.
So, kinila ninyo,
Yes.
Tingala na niyo, flowers, no?
Crochet
flowers. Ayun, kinila yun. So, na mo Facebook?
Yes, sir. You can find us here for crocheted products, Aster Arts and Crafts, and then for the personalized items, we have schedule illustrations and arts.
So, comment open lang din and then pwede maka-order online.
Yes po.
Very good.